go get me a real hunting dog.
Emphasis on hunting. You gotta find a dog that fits your personality, like me, okay? I know you get me a natural born killer when it comes to hunting.
It landed on the lion's nose. It is a ladybug.
Ladybug.
Ladybug starts with L.
L is for ladybug.
The lion is going to catch the ladybug. Oh, my nose. He missed the ladybug. He's going to try again. Look, he's using both paws. Ouch! He missed it again. Now the ladybug is flying away. Ladybug, the ladybug, the ladybug is flying, flying here, flying there, flying everywhere. The ladybug, the ladybug, the ladybug is flying, and then she lands on somebody else's nose.
What is up? It's your boy Danny British, man. I'm here with my beautiful babe. Make his babe. Make his hey, man. I am here with my daughter, about to go to my her shots. She's doing her first set of shots. Here's how she look right now. You don't even know what's coming. You don't even know what's coming. They're gonna inject you, man. Give you them antibodies, man, so your body can get used to the antibodies and fight off those viruses when you get older. Okay, kid? And that's why you'll be way healthy.
Oh, yeah, herpes. Cute, have herpes.
So they head up there, Mom, and I get her little legs, yep.
All right, baby. It's okay, honey. It's okay.
Ooh, ooh, yeah. Any man will have kids and not at them kids' appointment when you're never ready to have kids, especially if you don't have to go work. I took the day off. Some man can't afford to take the day off, and that's sad. Me I get paid to take it off though.
14 pounds. Yes, Mama. Oh, wait, Mama cleaned your diaper.
Yes, yes, yes. Mama just get her shots them. Yeah. Them shut up man daughter. Tough it out. She cry a little bit still. But she tough like that, you know?
Good.
Yeah.
She didn't do the whole, you know,
yeah,
like
yeah,
thing.
she never freaked out.
She laid there.
You hear that? Mommy tough it out. Now mommy I enjoy her food. Yeah, how you feeling, mama? Yeah, how you feeling? She have a little attitude now, but that's expected. It's a girl child.
My little bitch so Burberry. My lifestyle so tertiary. I got the clip with the sticks. Fuck all that, shoot up this shit. I got the clip with the sticks. Bitch, fuck all that, shoot up this bitch. What?
Your shot.
Where?
Just wipe it with her. I didn't take it out.
Mommy never bring your thing. Yeah, mommy never bring your thing. Like Bobby never say your thing. Come here. Mommy never say your start.
It's 9:21.
Hey, you want your pussy? You want your pussy? Good girl. No want it. No want it. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. It's your boy Danny British. Yeah. Today was amazing. My daughter get her first set of vaccine, 3 shots, and she took it like a champ. You know, in the engine, she said, nah, and then afterwards, she get her bottle. She was like, I can't believe. She said, Daddy, I cannot believe you let a peasant inject me. I was like, it's not a peasant, baby. It's a nurse. It's okay. So anyway, I joke we awake, man. I joke we awake. You know, my stars, if you say me, I'm one of the cockiest person in life. But anyway, you don't think I'm one of the cockiest person in life? My partner in crime. My partner in crime agrees. But anyway, she took the shot like a champ. The nurses were amazing. Or the nurse was amazing. A little bit rough, but she was amazing. Not rough with the baby, just rough to look at. But she was amazing. And then the doctor was amazing. Doctor was cool. The doctor said she had a 2-year-old. So that kind of comforted me in her recommendations. Versus a doctor that don't have kids. Like, if he's a doctor what don't have kids, you can't tell me nothing about my kids. Suck your mother. And we just ignorant like that. That's what I tell you. So it was pretty cool. I mean,
Freeze is already like halfway down this.
yeah, man, Freeze not play with the real. Yeah, it's your boy Daddy British, and it was amazing. You know, I found pleasure that today I was at the doctor office and I saw another black dad but he had a big white girlfriend, and that was alright, or maybe his wife, and that was alright. But that man was there with his, was it a daughter? I think it was a daughter or a son. He had a bit of an anger issue though. I did realize that. Yeah.
Like you don't?
No, I have an anger issue, but him really have an anger issue. He was like, what you mean I can't come inside? We're both vaccinated. So them have to allow both of them to go in. You see how them allow just you first and then came back and get me? Him wasn't having it.
They didn't really do anything. All they did was just like measure her height and
that guy wasn't.
her weight, and that was it.
Guy wasn't having it. He went very upset about that. He's like, I'm fully vaccinated.
Yeah, they didn't like ask. She didn't ask me any questions.
But for me, I wasn't fully vaccinated, and I don't care. Like, I don't like being at the hospitals to begin with, so I didn't care. But it was amazing, you know, just being in there with my kid, being a dad. You know, being a dad is so amazing. Yeah, I never knew I would have had so much fun being a dad. You know, because I didn't want to be a dad at one point. There was a point where I was like, you know what? I am cool not having kids until I was 30. So you know what? Scratch that. I always knew that I wanted to be a dad, but I knew that I wanted to be a dad at 30. I didn't want to be a dad a moment before that. You know what I mean? Now that I'm 30, because I feel like once you get to 30, you're at that age where you have more wiggle room to do more for yourself, but it's not a big gap like when you're like in your 20s. You know what I mean? If you're 27, 28, you know, 28 is like the max. Once you hit 29, you goddamn 30. But if you like 28 to 25, you know what I mean? You can do a bunch of things in life. You can mess up and come back in life and still be good. But once you're 30, any mess up, you're closer to 40. So for me, I couldn't do it, you know? And I also knew that if I was to have kids before time, I would have had to file for bankruptcy. And I never wanted to put myself in a position where I had to give up my lifestyle for something less. You know what I mean? And then I turn around hating my kids. Like, oh, ever since I have, and I think that's the thing with a lot of parents. A lot of parents, they have kids and they cannot financially afford these kids, so they have to give up lifestyles, and now they live in regret. You know what I mean? Like, I can't drive a nice car because I have to take care of my kid daycare. You know what I mean? And all that thing. That's how their brain works. Like, I couldn't do that. Like, I made sure my shit was concrete, that I never had to give up my lifestyle on anything. You know, if anything, I'm trying to grow into a bigger lifestyle now than give it up. Nah, man. You gotta have that eye on that money. You gotta have that focus. You gotta have that focus, that determination, and that persistency. You get what I mean? You gotta be persistent enough to make it. You gotta focus on what you wanna make, and you gotta have that determination that no matter what happens, it's gonna happen for you. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's your boy Donnie B. I'm about to go enjoy my tobacco. You know what I mean? Yeah. And that's that. Take care.